Hi everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Lilia and in today's video we'll be making Ensalada Navideña de Frutas. So the translation for this is Christmas fruit salad, and it's something that I had growing up, actually not only for Christmas but also for New Year's. So it's a good break also from the Thanksgiving cakes and pies and all of that bread. But this recipe consists of fresh fruit, cream, and then it's topped off with toasted pecans. So I hope you give this recipe a try and like it. And if so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And please don't keep me a secret and share me with all your friends and family. I would greatly appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so this recipe comes together so quickly, and it's nice because there's no heat involved. So whether you're hosting or you're going to a party, it's one less thing to have to worry about throwing in the oven along with other food. So as far as the fruit goes, I like to start out, so the recipe always starts out with the apples. I like to have one of each color because they bring in different types of sweet or kind of like sour tartness to the recipe. So I always like to have a green one and then a red one and then one of these like gala or honeycrisp ones and a pear. It just kind of throws the texture off just a tiny bit. So when I'm dicing my fruit, I like to have small pieces, but not like miniature size. So I give it a rough about 4 slice cut, and then I dice it. As I'm dicing these apples, I just thought about something. So I always like to add the entire fruit because I think it just gives it a little bit more color to the salad. It just looks nice and festive, but I know some people can't digest the skin of or the peel of the apple, so you can totally remove that if that's your case. Here I've got some peaches. These are canned peaches that are in a fruit concentrate. Also, these are pretty much the only thing that are not fresh. And I'm not sure why, but this fruit salad is always made with peaches that way. I think it's because of the juice. It kind of adds a little something to, a little extra flavor to the salad. The raspberries, I do like to add them whole. All right, for the sauce, we've got 4 ingredients. Evaporated milk, Philadelphia cream cheese. I've got plain Greek yogurt. You could also use sour cream if you don't have that. And then the total flavor booster is this sweetened condensed milk. It's just gonna take it up a notch. If you don't refrigerate your pecans, I highly suggest that you dry roast them just for a little bit because they end up going a little bit stale. I keep mine in the fridge so they always have like a little bite to them. Like they're crunchy, so they go perfect on the salad on top because it just gives it a different texture. As a finishing piece, I always like to add my maraschino cherries and then also my pecans. The pecans get really soggy if I add them way before, so this is the only reason why I add them towards then. Also with the sauce, I like mine to be a little bit thinner, but if you do like a thicker sauce, you can always add a little bit more cream cheese. Has an awesome flavor, so I don't want to make this long, but I do want to take this moment to wish everyone a great Christmas and a happy new year and a very prosperous new year, because I know it's been a difficult 2 years for pretty much everyone around the world. So like always, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video, and I'll see you all then.